Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. In today's video, let's have a look at March 2024 current affairs. We have also recently released a video on top 1000 CMAT GK questions. If you haven't checked it yet, please do so. The link will be provided in the description below. Additionally, we are also offering a free CMAT mock test and 5 CMAT mocks for just 299 rupees. Please find the link in the description below. Now let's get started. First question. What sector did India and South Korea discuss boosting cooperation in? The answer is technology, semiconductors, green hydrogen, and professional mobility. India and South Korea are discussing enhancing cooperation in technology, semiconductors, green hydrogen, and professional mobility. Next question. Which nation recently hosted the world's first jet suit race? The answer is UAE. Dubai in the UAE hosted the world's first jet suit race featuring pilots with jet engines resembling Iron Man. Next question. Which country became the first to anchor abortion rights within its constitution? The answer is France. France became the first nation to include constitutional protection for abortion rights, setting a landmark in legal rights. Who was recently elected as the president of Hungary? The answer is Tamás Suljuk. Hungary's parliament elected Tamás Suljuk as president following the previous head's resignation. Next question. Which country's parliament passed the controversial human sexual rights and family value bills? The answer is Ghana. Ghana's parliament passed the controversial human sexual rights and family value bills targeting LGBTQ individuals. Where did Prime Ministers Modi and Jugnauth recently inaugurate projects? The answer is Mauritius. Prime Minister Modi and Jugnauth inaugurated projects in Agalega Island in Mauritius, including an airstrip and St. James Jetty. Next question. Panama recently joined which international organization? The answer is International Solar Alliance. Panama's official entry into the International Solar Alliance as its 97th member reflects its commitment to renewable energy initiatives globally. Which country introduced the Life Protection Plan insurance package for Indian blue-collar workers in the UAE? The answer is UAE. The Indian consulate in Dubai introduced the Life Protection Plan insurance package to provide financial securities to Indian blue-collar workers in the UAE. Which region recently introduced a stricter national security law draft which expanded definitions and harsher penalties? The answer is Hong Kong. Hong Kong introduced a stricter national security law draft indicating a shift towards more stringent legal measures in the region. Where did C6 Energy launch the world's first large-scale mechanized tropical seaweed farm? The answer is Lombok, Indonesia. Next question. Who recently became Pakistan's first Sikh minister in the Punjab province? The answer is Sardar Ramesh Singh Arora. Sardar Ramesh Singh Arora became Pakistan's first Sikh minister in the Punjab province, highlighting strides in inclusivity and diversity in Pakistan politics. Next question. Who recently became Pakistan's 14th president, succeeding Dr. Arif Alvi? The answer is Asif Ali Zardari. Asif Ali Zardari, he was sworn in as Pakistan's 14th president, succeeding Dr. Arif Alvi, making a significant transition in Pakistan's political leadership. China recently declared a new territorial baseline in which body of water, raising concerns about potential disputes. The answer is Gulf of Tonkin. China's declaration of a new territorial baseline in the Gulf of Tonkin has raised concern about potential disputes with Vietnam. India and which country signed a protocol for the establishment of a joint economic and trade committee? The answer is Dominican Republic. India and the Dominican Republic signed a protocol for the establishment of a joint economic and trade committee JETCO. Over 1500 skeletons dating back to the 17th century were discovered at a construction site in which Germany city? The answer is Nuremberg. Over 1500 skeletons dating back to the 17th century were discovered at a constructive site in Germany's Nuremberg. Who was recently appointed as the new Palestinian Prime Minister by President Mahmoud Abbas? The answer is Mohammad Mustafa. Mohammad Mustafa was appointed as the new Palestinian Prime Minister by President Mahmoud Abbas. Which company's Starship rocket disintegrated during re-entry on its third test flight, highlighting challenges in its development? The answer is SpaceX. The UK recently tested which laser-directed energy weapon, showcasing precision targeting and cost effectiveness? The answer is Dragonfire. The UK recently tested the Dragonfire laser-directed energy weapon, showcasing precision, targeting and cost effectiveness. Which country's president secured another 6-year term in an election with 76.1% of the vote? The answer is Russia. Vladimir Putin secured another 6-year term as president of Russia with 76.1% of the voting in the election. During which mission does NASA plan to carry a message in bottle to Europa? The answer is Europa Clipper mission. NASA plans to carry a message in bottle to Europa during the Europa Clipper mission scheduled for October. Which country declared Pokhara as its tourism capital to boost the tourism industry? The answer is Nepal. Nepal declared Pokhara as its tourism capital to boost the tourism industry. Who became the first black leader of a European country by being elected as the leader of Welsh Labour Party? The answer is Vaughan Gething. Which country banned disposable e-cigarettes and vapes? The answer is New Zealand. New Zealand banned disposable e-cigarettes and vapes. Which city experienced a bridge collapse after a container ship collision resulting in 6 presumed deaths? The answer is Baltimore. Baltimore experienced a bridge collapse after a container ship collision with 6 presumed deaths. Who will be the first contestant from Saudi Arabia to participate in the Miss Universe pageant? The answer is Rumi Al Khwautani. Who won Senegal's presidential election with 54.28% of votes in the first round? The answer is Bassirou Diomaye Faye. Which country legalized same-sex marriage, positioning itself as a pioneer in Southeast Asia? The answer is Thailand. Which state imposed restrictions on social media for minors requiring parental permission for accounts? The answer is Florida. Florida imposed restrictions on social media for minors requiring parental permission for accounts. Which countries participated in the India-Mozambique-Tanzania trilateral exercise aimed at enhancing maritime cooperation among the navies? The answer is India, Mozambique, Tanzania. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of NSG and is currently heading SSB? The answer is Daljit Singh Chowdhury. Daljit Singh Chowdhury has been appointed as the new Director General of NSG and is currently heading SSB. Who has been appointed as the head of Parliament Security? The answer is Anurag Agarwal. Anurag Agarwal has been appointed as the head of Parliament Security. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Bihar? The answer is Brajesh Mehrotra. Brajesh Mehrotra has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Bihar. Who made history as BSF's first female sniper? The answer is Suman Kumari. Sub-Inspector Suman Kumari made history as BSF's first female sniper. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Slice? The answer is Nayanthara. Slice has appointed Nayanthara as their brand ambassador. Next question. Who has been appointed as the president and MD for Indian subcontinent by SAP? The answer is Manish Prasad. SAP has appointed Manish Prasad as the President and MD for Indian subcontinent. Who assumes additional charge as Chairman and MD of NHPC Limited? The answer is Rajendra Prasad Goyal. Rajendra Prasad Goyal assumes additional charge as Chairman and MD of NHPC Limited. Who became the new President of Paralympic Committee of India? The answer is Devendra Hajaria. Devendra Hajaria became the new President of Paralympic Committee of India. Who becomes President's first Sikh Minister in Punjab? The answer is Ramesh Singh Arora, who has been appointed as Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission. The answer is A.S. Rajiv. A.S. Rajiv has been appointed as Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission. Who assumes charge as Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Castes? The answer is Kishore Makwana. Kishore Makwana assumes charge as Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Castes. Who has been appointed as the new Director General by ISMA? The answer is Deepak Balani. Who has collaborated with ECI for voter information and combats misinformation ahead of election? The answer is Google. Who has been nominated as the next Director of NHPC Limited? The answer is Sanjay Kumar Singh. Sanjay Kumar Singh has been nominated as the next Director of NHPC Limited. Who has been appointed as new election commissioners? The answer is Jnanesh Kumar and Sukhbir Sandhu. The option is both A and B. Who is the new Chairman and Managing Director of NCL? The answer is B. Sairam. B. Sairam is the new Chairman and Managing Director of NCL. Who was named ECI's National PWD Icon at Inclusive Cricket Match? The answer is Sheetal Devi. Sheetal Devi was named ECI's National PWD Icon at Inclusive Cricket Match. Who has been appointed as Prasar Bharati Board Chairman? The answer is Navneet Sehgal. Navneet Sehgal has been appointed as Prasar Bharati Board Chairman. Who resigned as Telangana Governor? The answer is Tamilisai Soundararajan. Who has been appointed as President of One Kotak by Kotak Bank? The answer is Jaideep Hansraj. Jaideep Hansraj has been appointed as President of One Kotak by Kotak Bank. Who has been appointed as new CBSE Chief? The answer is Rahul Singh. Rahul Singh has been appointed as new CBSE Chief. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Poonawalla Fincorp? The answer is Arvind Kapil. Arvind Kapil has been appointed as MD and CEO of Poonawalla Fincorp. Who has got additional charge as Telangana Governor? The answer is C.P. Radhakrishnan. C.P. Radhakrishnan has got additional charge as Telangana Governor. Who has been appointed as new Indian Ambassador to Russia? The answer is Vinay Kumar. Vinay Kumar has been appointed as new Indian Ambassador to Russia. Who has been announced as the new CEO of PNG India? The answer is Arvind Kapil. Arvind Kapil has been announced as the new CEO of PNG India. Who replaced West Bengal DGP and was appointed by the Election Commission? The answer is Sanjay Mukherjee. Sanjay Mukherjee replaced West Bengal DGP and was appointed by the Election Commission. Who took over as Poonawalla Fincorp CEO? The answer is Arvind Kapil. Arvind Kapil took over as Poonawalla Fincorp CEO. Who was appointed as the additional charge after Pasupati Kumar Paras resigned from the Union Cabinet? The answer is Kiren Rijiju. Kiren Rijiju was appointed to take an additional responsibilities following Pasupati Kumar Paras' resignation from the Union Cabinet. Who was elected as the new chairman of the Indian Banks Association? The answer is M.V. Rao. M.V. Rao was elected as the new chairman of the Indian Banks Association. Who took over as the president of Indian Steel Association? The answer is Naveen Jindal. Naveen Jindal assumed the role of president of the Indian Steel Association. Who was named as Microsoft's AI division head? The answer is Mustafa Suleyman. Mustafa Suleyman was appointed as Microsoft's AI division head. Who was elected as the new president of FIEO? The answer is Ashwini Kumar. Who was named Portugal's prime minister? The answer is Luis Montenegro. Who was appointed as the director in UPSC? The answer is Hansa Mishra. Hansa Mishra was appointed as the director in UPSC. Who were the new members sworn at Lokpal of India? The answer is Ashwini Kumar and Mustafa Suleyman. Who were the new chiefs appointed to lead NIA, NDRF and BPRND? The answer is Kamal Kishore, Justice Muhammad Yusuf Wani and Arnab Banerjee. Who was appointed as MD and CEO of Bank of Maharashtra? The answer is Nidhu Saxena. Nidhu Saxena was appointed as MD and CEO of Bank of Maharashtra. Who was selected to lead UN's disaster risk reduction efforts? The answer is Kamal Kishore. Kamal Kishore was selected to lead UN's disaster risk reduction efforts. Who won the Purple Cap in IPL 2023? The answer is Mohammad Shami. Mohammad Shami of Gujarat Titans won the Purple Cap in IPL 2023 with 28 wickets in 16 matches. Which term clinched the maiden title in Pro Kabaddi League Session 10? The answer is Puneri Paltan. Where did the Asian River Rafting Championships open? The answer is Shimla. The Asian River Rafting Championships opened in Shimla. Who announced retirement from badminton recently? The answer is Sai Praneeth announced retirement from badminton. Which country won the first UEFA Women's National League? The answer is Spain. Khelo India medal winners are now eligible for what? The answer is government jobs. When is the ICC's Men's T20 World Cup 2024 scheduled? The answer is October to November 2024. Where was Sansad Khel Mahakumbh 3.0 is inaugurated? The answer is Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. Who inaugurated the 5th ONGC Para Games? The answer is Hardeep S. Puri. Minister Hardeep S. Puri inaugurated the 5th ONGC Para Games. Who recently joined the Elite 700 Test Wickets Club? The answer is James Anderson. James Anderson recently joined the Elite 700 Test Wickets Club. Who were named ICC Players of the Month for February 2024? The answer is Yashasvi Jaiswal and Sutherland. Which program was launched recently? The answer is Kirti, KIRTI. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 2024? The answer is Mumbai. Mumbai won the Ranji Trophy 2024 after beating Vidarbha. Who won the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix? The answer is Max Verstappen. What does the ILO report on employment reveal about India's scenario? The answer is doubling of unemployed youth with higher education. Who topped Daniil Medvedev to repeat as Indian Wells champion? The answer is Carlos Alcaraz. Where did the third edition of Northeast Games 2024 begin? The answer is Nagaland. The third edition of Northeast Games 2024 began in Nagaland. Next question. Who shined at the Indian Open Jumps competition? The answer is Nayana James. Who will be the Indian flag bearer at the Paris Olympics 2024? The answer is Satyan Gnanashekaran. Next question. Who created history at WTT Feeder Beirut 2024? The answer is Satyan Gunashekaran. Who clinched victory at the Australian Grand Prix? The answer is Carl Sainz. Carlos Alcaraz recently achieved which feat in tennis? The answer is Indian Wells Championship. Where did the third edition of Northeast Games 2024 take place? The answer is Nagaland. The third edition of Northeast Games 2024 began in Nagaland. Who shone at the Indian Open Jumps competition? Next question. Who shone at the Indian Open Jumps competition? The answer is Nayana James. Nayana James shone at the Indian Open Jumps competition. Who is said to be the Indian flag bearer at the Paris Olympics 2024? The answer is Sharath Kamal. Who clinched victory at the Australian Grand Prix? The answer is Carl Sainz. Next question. Who recently retired from red ball cricket? The answer is Matthew Wade. Australian wicketkeeper batter Matthew Wade retired from red ball cricket. Who became the first Indian to score 12,000 T20 runs? The answer is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli became the first Indian to score 12,000 T20 runs. Which team hit a record-breaking 277 for 3 against MI in IPL 2024? The answer is SRH, Sunrisers Hyderabad. SRH hits record-breaking 277 for 3 against Mumbai Indians. Who shined at the WTT Feeder Burette 2 2024? The answer is Shrija Akula. Indian paddler Shrija Akula shined at WTT Feeder Burette 2 2024. Next question. Who called time on their cricket career recently? The answer is Collins Obia. Kenyan all-rounder Collins Obia called time on cricket career. Who were appointed as co-chairs of FIH Athletes Committee? The answer is P.R. Shijish and Kamila Karam were appointed as co-chairs of FIH Athlete Committee. Who became Bangladesh first ICC elite umpire? The answer is Sharfudullah. Sharfudullah became Bangladesh first ICC elite umpire. If you like this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. In case of any comments, please do comment in the comment section below.